It is the 25th of August 2026, and this is today's French A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about Andy Burnham saying he does not rule out tax rises before the autumn budget. First, there are 3 other stories from today's front page, and all of them can be read on linguawire.com.
First, le projet de fonderie d'aluminium divise les candidats républicains en Oklahoma.
The aluminium smelter project divides the Republican candidates in Oklahoma. Divise comes from divisor, meaning to divide or split. It is a useful verb for stories about disagreement. A project that splits the candidates is already causing trouble before any vote is cast.
Next, le gouvernement du Canada prépare des tarifs contre les États-Unis.
The Canadian government is preparing tariffs against the United States. Prépare is a simple present tense verb here, and in news headlines, French often uses the present for something planned or underway.
And le Premier ministre Andy Burnham condamne les vidéos de conduite dangereuse.
Prime Minister Andy Burnham condemns the dangerous driving videos. Condamne is clear and strong French. In a headline, it means he strongly criticizes something, not that he gives a legal sentence. The internet never seems to run out of bad driving clips.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Le Premier ministre britannique Andy Burnham n'exclut pas une hausse des impôts. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Le Premier ministre britannique,
The British Prime Minister,
Andy Burnham,
Andy Burnham,
n'exclut pas
does not rule out
une hausse des impôts.
a tax rise.
French often puts the negative idea straight into the verb with ni, pas, and n'exclut pas is a very newspaper-like way to say something is still possible.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Il a parlé des finances publiques.
He spoke about the public finances.
Il promet une approche prudente pour l'économie.
He promises a cautious approach for the economy.
Il défend ses aides sur le coût de la vie.
He defends his help with the cost of living.
En juillet, il devient Premier ministre.
In July, he becomes Prime Minister. Devient comes from devenir, meaning to become. It is a very useful verb for changes in role or state.
Des experts disent qu'il aura peu de marge dans son premier budget.
Experts say that he will have little room in his first budget. Disent is the plural present of dire, meaning to say. The form changes a lot. Je dis, tu dis, il dit, nous disons, vous dites, ils disent.
Now for the verb of the day, parler. In English, that means to speak. Here it is in the present tense. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle.
Here's a normal everyday example. Je parle avec ma sœur. In English, I speak with my sister.
One last time at full speed. Le Premier ministre britannique Andy Burnham n'exclut pas une hausse des impôts. Now you Before you go, one question from today's story. Qu'est-ce qu'il ne ferme pas? Is it A, une hausse des impôts, un nouveau bus, or C, une vidéo?
Think about it. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.